1.2 says the information below indicates the number of applicants for the EAs and the GSA in the Free State. So the number of applicants for EAs and GSAs in the Free State, I cannot pronounce these names, only Fezile Dabi. So which is 6,739 applicants for EAs and 8,207 applicants for general assistance. And so the total of applicants at the Fezile Dabi district was 14,944. And we're also given the total of totals there. Let's look at the first question. Is the data above regarded as discrete or continuous? This data is, of course, discrete. Write down the name of the education district that received the highest total number of applications. This one. Arrange the number of education assistant applications in descending order. D means decrease and ascending means increase. So decrease is starting from the highest to the lowest. So we are arranging the number of applicants. Let's just look at them there for EAs. So they said descending from highest to smallest. So first we must identify the highest, which is 1. That's the highest. And the second highest, this one is 8.2. This one is 8.7. So the second highest, third, and number 4, and number 5. Right. So we can just write it. Then we move on to 1.2.4. Calculate the total number of general school assistant applications. So let's look at the applications for general assistance. They want the total number, which is known as B there. All we have to do is just add all the above numbers and they'll give us the total. Add them all. I first have to write it down. Total is equal to 1,558 plus 47,087 people. All right, so 1.2.5, write down the ratio. 1.2.5, write down the ratio of the number of education assistants to the number of general assistants in, I do not know how to pronounce the name, education district in the form 1:2. First, let's talk about this part here. This is known as a unit ratio. Sometimes they just say write it as a unit ratio and won't show you what a unit ratio looks like. Make sure you know exactly what this is when you see it or when it's said in words. So they want you to write it like that. So write the ratio as a unit ratio. So they want us to write the ratio of education assistants to the general assistants in this district, and then they want us to simplify it in this way, right? So no problem. Let's first write the ratio as is. So let's get 876 is to 1,558. Right, so they want us now to write it as a unit ratio and not leave it as like this. So what we're going to do is to make this start with a 1, we're going to divide 876 by 876. So we're going to say 876 divided by 876. And then whatever you do on this side, you go and do on the other side. You divide this by 876 as well. And then you will get 1 is 2. Then you use your calculator. 1,558 divided by 876. You get 1,778538813. 1,78.